Hello guys, welcome back to as the Institute. Today topic why is about money. I would like to talking about this topic, my dear guys. Money is very most important in this world. I know, as you know, that money is very most important. Today I am here representing my opinions, representing my views, and representing my thoughts. Please listen to carefully about this topic, my dear guys. As you know, that money is powerful to human beings. If you have money, so you can create anything. If you have money, so you can. My days fulfill your desire, fulfill your dream. So firstly we should earn money. If we become an earner, so we can fulfill another person wishes, we can fulfill our family wishes, we can fulfill our wishes. So money is very most important, my dear guys, but money is not everything. As you know, that's my dear guys, as a for example, you have money. I know you have money, you can buy the medicine but not buy the health, my dear guys. Second point, you have money, you can buy the bed but not buy the sleeping. Third things, my guys, you have money, you can buy the stage but not buy the confidence. So that not much give the respect of the money. If I have money, so I can take anybody else's material, buy the markets, I can buy anything in my opinions. And my guys, whether you don't have money, so maybe you can't answer in this time alive here, but and not give much respect of the money. जैसे अगर आप ज़्यादा पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हो, so maybe you can't answer talk your family. मतलब एक बार one time goes run out your time, so maybe can't back up your time. Firstly you should give the respect time. My guys, time is very most important. As you know that हम काफ़ी चीज़ें खो जाते हैं मनी के चक्कर में. If should become earner, but something we should understand, my dear guys. जैसे कि अगर हम पैसे कमाने में लग जाते हैं, तो फर्स्टली हम अपनी फैमिली से टॉकिंग नहीं कर पाते, अपने फ्रेंडों से. देयर आर मैनी फ्रेंड्स एंड देयर आर मैनी टीचर, कांट टॉक एंड them, because we should and take enjoy with your friends, we should take enjoy with your family, we should conversation our neighbors, we should conversation our as parents, because if we give time our parents, so my parents and my teacher told you, my friend told you, you are goods. Maybe my dear guys, some people are very blindness to earn money, but it's not blindness to earn money. Please earn to very fastly, but and not go run out money, my dear guys. As you know that my dear guys, we should take enjoy in this time, in this moment, because I know and so I know basically every person should become an earner in this 21st century is answer this time, because in this time running of the 21st century. So we should earn money in this world, but we should give the respect our time, because one time go out your time, never came back here time. So firstly we should give time ourselves, we should give time our family. So we should talk, we should know yourself, we should know ourselves, who am I. Yes, you can work on yourself, my dear guys. I hope you will be understand this video. अगर आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो, my dear guys, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. जय हिंद दोस्तों.